God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him should not perish, but have everlasting life.
Excuse me, son.
Yeah.
What do you got there?
Birds? Wild birds.
Huh. Where'd you get them?
I got them in a field over there. Field's got wild birds in it.
Oh. If you don't mind my asking, what do you plan to do with them?
I like to play games with them.
Games. What kind of games?
Oh, sometimes I like to poke a stick in there and watch it go caw, 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 caw. Or sometimes I like to rattle the cage, and they think it's an earthquake. They really like that.
What happens when you're done with the games?
I like to feed them to my cat. My cat likes wild birds.
Tell you what, I'm fond of wild birds.
You are?
Let me buy them from you.
You want to buy these wild birds? They're not good for nothing. You can open up that cage and they're going to fly away from you.
How much?
You're serious?
Very serious.
$5. $10. $20.
They're wild birds.
They're exotic birds.
You got them in a field over there.
It's an exotic field.
All right. That's all I got.
So you're looking at the cage.
Yeah. What do you got in there?
You know what's in there.
Mankind.
Yep, found them in the garden. You know, the funny thing is, they put themselves in that cage. I had nothing to do with it.
What are your plans with them?
I'm gonna play games with them.
Games. What kind of games?
All kinds of games. I'm gonna bring games into their lives that they think is gonna bring them pleasure, and then turn their world upside down, making them think that right is wrong and wrong is right.
And then?
They'll be damned for all eternity.
You know, my father and I were very fond of mankind.
I know.
We want them to have access to us. So, I'm going to pay for their freedom.
You want these humans?
Yeah.
You know they've promised you everything before, and they're going to turn their backs on you again.
Some will. And some won't.
You're serious?
Very serious.
It will cost you your tears,
I know.
your blood.
Yeah.
It will cost you your life.
I know.
You're willing to give your life?
I'm willing to give what it takes.
This reminds us about what Jesus did for us on the cross. He picked up that wooden cross and carried it to Mount Calvary because he loved you and me.